Check, 1, 2. 1, 2. I'm going with that. I'm thinking. I'm going with that. Hello. How y'all doing? I'm Dr. Brad. We're going to do a singing number. Yeah. About to sing those people. We got 5. Woo! Hey, we got 5 mics. But we're in a circle of smileys. Lord, I just don't know. We just boost from inside. Hey, go, Jackie, go, Jackie, go, Jackie, go, Jackie, go solo, go solo, all right, y'all ready? I'm ready. Who follow the good? Who follow, aka Mufasa, aka Trinidad. Build, let's go. Build Trinidad for a building. You story, you know what I'm saying, one day. Yo, you talking to me? Yo, what you talking about? Go for us. Yo, cool, Tony. Yeah, I do it, Tony. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, man? What's going on? Hey, Bird, what Brian? Yeah. What's the answer to number 4? Everybody stand up. It's a blend. It's a water. Man, what are we talking about? I was doing more planets. I'll check it. You good? You got the video. Oh, yeah. Drop that track. We got it. I'm at you.
Wake up every morning, get your hair did. Go to work, hit the stove, and later you pick up the kids. There's so many things you gotta do. Oh, did you forget? Too busy running around to think about what God did. Come again? See, he's the one that let you see another day. Hope the chains have made a way. Hope the check that you get paid. So don't let another day go by that you don't pray. We this word, seek his face. Do it now, don't delay.
My intuition had me tripping. Thought I was on the mission. And now I'm feeling blue, but nah, I ain't crippin'. Crippled by ambition, this is not what I envisioned. I was being obedient, but still not listening. Wanted to be a preacher. Soon as I hit the altar, God said, case closed, please make your pace slow. Wanted to save the world, one soul at a time, but I forgot to save one, and that was mine. Cause I was doing too much, too often, 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 too much, too often.
Okay, lost in the world, looking for good living, a good feeling. Why do it when the next day you forget this? Listen, I know she's a fine dime, but she's just a waste of time. Tastes is so fulfilling, but what happens when the well's dry? Oh my, time flies. Wish that flight had got delayed. Trying to find something that'll make the pain go away. Tried about everything, but nothing really seems to work. The only option, try Christ and watch your life take flight.
Woke up this morning with the money on my mind, chasing that paper, telling my homies, hey, I'm on my grind. In actuality, I feel like though I'm losing my mind. Pray for this job, but now it's taking up all my time. It's funny that the same thing that I pray for and fast for, it seems like it's taken from my father. My God, come on, I bring in all this money, but I can't make it to church or Bible study, and I ain't paying my time. So it seems like I'm doing
too much, too often, 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 too much. King got the jungle, he's greater than Mufasa, but I don't fear
this word, I should be seeking out my space. But I wanna taste the world if they flirt with girls that hang out in a popular place. Then I be up on stage, reppin' the rocket age. Telling people they shouldn't do this and that. Hypocrisy's what I'm facing. I know living that way would defy that I'm not what I portray in my rhyme. So it's one time and I'm down to fight a good fight, little but protect mine, cause I've been doing
too much, too often, 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 too much, too often.
Till that day when I see your pretty face. I just can't wait, I just can't wait. My praying God sends you my way. I'm supposed to be patient, but I'm so anxious. Just thinking about you, it's driving me crazy. I just can't wait, I just can't wait. There's nothing more that I can say.
Lord, I know you